What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Isabelle from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. I'm gonna start with drawing a semicircle line to the side from the top of her head, in the middle, right there, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn to that point right there, and a sharp turn back out, and another semicircle turn back to the center and slightly below where we began. And I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side. And on the sides, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and around the cheek, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn to the center below the face, and I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side. And I'm gonna draw across the curved line for the lower point of the head, and back to the side of the head. I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point down and a semicircle turn back to the side of her face right there. And I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side. Now above her head, I'm gonna draw a circle line across, and then from this side on the left, I'm gonna draw a circle all the way up and back down to the center, and then I'm gonna draw another smaller circle right there. And across that hair bun, I'm gonna draw some curvy line like that. Now for her eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line off center for the top of her eye, and I'm gonna thicken the center of that line, and we're gonna make the sides sharper and thinner. And in the middle, below that thick line, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at this point, and we're gonna thicken the sides of the oval as well. Now I'm gonna copy the same shape for the right eye. Now for her nose, I'm gonna draw an oval shape in the middle of the eye. And a circle on the right side, right there. And I'm gonna fill the rest with black color. Now below the nose, I'm gonna draw across a curved line for the top of her mouth, and another curved line stretching down in the middle for the lower part of her mouth. And we're gonna add both on the side a curved line for a bracket. And in the middle, on the top part, I'm gonna draw her teeth right there with a rectangular shape, and below that across a curved line for her tongue. Now below her eye, I'm gonna draw on the side an oval on each of the eye. And then I'm gonna take a yellow pen and I'm gonna draw around the mouth on the side a circle line right there, and another curve across on top of the nose, and we're just gonna copy the same shape on the right side right here, and a circle for the lower part in the middle. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw from the sides a curved line to the center, like that, and I'm gonna extend the one on the left to the right, and then I'm gonna turn it downwards, and on the side I'm gonna draw a curved line out and turn it sideways towards the center, and from slightly above that point I'm gonna draw a curved line down on both sides, and across on the lower point of those two lines on the side I'm gonna draw a curved line. Now below the shirt on the side, I'm going to draw a line on both the left and right for the skirt, and across again a curved line. Below the skirt, I'm going to draw two lines for each legs down, and across a curved line for the lower part of the leg. And on the outer side of the leg, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line in and down and back across. And we're gonna mirror that on the right side as well. Now for her hands, I'm gonna draw from this line of the sleeve a curved line down and a semicircle turn to the side of the shirt and back up. And we're gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now for her tail, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line outwards and back with a sharp turn to the side of the skirt at the lower point right there. And we're gonna take the same yellow color and draw some curved line across the tail. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.